Hi guys, Paul here for a really quick PABrewNews review, and we're just going to do real quickly. This has been open for a little bit and we've had some of it already, but it's Fegleys Space Monkey. Fegleys Brew works. This is a Saison Ale brew with 100% natural raspberry juice. Comes in at 1 pint 9.4 fluid ounces, 7% by alcohol volume. Fegleys is brewed in Allentown, Pennsylvania. It's actually brewed at the Allentown Brew Works, so that's nice. So I mean, because I was wondering if you could actually get some Allentown Brew Works ales in bottle form, and technically it's brewed there, so you can almost count it as such. Hamilton Street, Pennsylvania, or Hamilton Street, Allentown, Pennsylvania. Hamilton Street, I think, is the same street the Croc Rock is on. So if you guys ever go to the Croc Rock, I think maybe even the Sterling Hotel, can't remember. The website is thebrewworks.com. So definitely check them out. Never poke a monkey in space. Channel warning. Really cool cover. Monkey chasing a raspberry, so that's awesome. We have it re-bottled just in case, because we wanted to save it. We didn't want to waste the review. Little salvator glass. Give it a good pour. It's probably going to be a little flat, unfortunately, because see, it's really carbonated. Unfortunately, we lost a little bit of the carbonation. I already have my ideas about what this tastes like, so I mean, this is just for the sake of drinking a beer. Still carbonation rising up to the side of the glass. It doesn't have the big Saison head it had on it before, but nice ripe rounded raspberry flavors in the nose. The initial sweetness of a raspberry comes like that, and then just completely dissipates immediately. And then you're left with a tart raspberry flavor, but that dissipates pretty dang quick too. And that's the only flavors I can pick up in this. And then you're just left with this tart raspberry. There's no malts, there's no breadiness, there's no hoppiness, there's just raspberry, sweet, tart, gone. Sweet, tart, gone. And then you're just left with this drawing, not even a drawing really, it just dries the top of your mouth. It doesn't, there's no effect in the throat of a drawingness that we get with some Saison ales. That's it. I talked with my wife both and I reviewed it at the same time. The smell is very weak at first, but when you mix it up properly and you add the yeast, the smell becomes completely well-rounded with these big, chunky fruit flavors. It's very nice. But then the weirdest thing is there's raspberry flavors, but when you add the yeast, it brings out in the nose and then kills a little bit in the taste. So you're damned if you do, you're damned if you don't. It's sweet to tart. Not overly bearingly tart. Nice, nice water. It's a little bit of a watery feel, and it's very cooling and very refreshing. I mean, you could just drink and drink and drink and drink this stuff. There's not much to it at all. So because we can drink it, and that's all right. But we would never really go back to it if we saw it. We probably wouldn't get it unless we were really in the mood for a very nice, refreshing, just raspberry, slight raspberry flavored Saison ale. As this is, I'm going to give it a 5.